back.
Okay, so we took out the stock rear axle because obviously we're not going to use that. The springs and everything else is what we're going to use. So the way it sits, that's everything we're going to be using. But I think we're going to change the all the bushings on there because it's kind of, I don't know. It's floppy. It's floppy and sloppy. So this is the axle that we're going to use. It's from a 90s model Toyota rear axle. And obviously we're using this because of the 5 lug. And so what we're going to do here is the purchase here are not lined up to the stock 720. So we're gonna have to cut this off and move it so we can align it. Making sure the angles are all the same and everything before we even cut it off. So this is a 90s model Toyota axle that we're gonna be swapping out. So I've done it before. It, know it works. What? 87, I guess. I thought it was 90s. Okay, 87. Damn it, gotta start over now. Alright, so we put the rear end in and we cut off the purchase earlier. So right now it's just sitting on the purchase. So what we were doing earlier was we were trying to center, making sure the width between the frame and the rear hub here is even on both sides before we weld on the purchase. And then making sure we're just going with the same original pinion angle or degree, whatever, the one we took off in the beginning or you marked in the beginning. So we're just gonna keep it the way it is. But yep, pretty much where we're at right now. Now we're gonna start welding it up. He's getting ready. Where's he gonna go to sleep? Look at that. Nice. Nice. See this side. There you have, folks. It's like a brand new. Brand new. It's even holding it up by itself. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Alright, this one's done. Alright, so we are going to change the bushing on the springs, front and rear. and top. This is the kit we got. So here it is. I'm assuming everything's in here. I don't know, but we'll get it on and see how it works out. I'll let you know. So stand by. There's two sets, like different type of bushing. You have this bushing and this bushing. But this is the bushing we're going to use, and I think that's a part number right there, 3041. If you can just get this part, then this is actually all you need. And of course you need the long tubes that go in it. So, but yeah, if you can just get this part, good to go. This one, just like I said, just came with that kit that we got. So, and obviously we're not going to use that one, so we'll find something else for this. I don't know. Maybe some body mounts. All right, you ready to put this in? All right. So popping these bushings out are pretty easy. It's actually split, and let's see if I can find it. Okay, maybe it's not. Alright, pretty easy. Let's cut one side here. And hopefully something underneath. There's actually two pieces, but you can probably knock out one side and the other side. I don't know, felt that was easier to do. In the back, here's, I think there's a notch in here. One. Ta-da! Okay, all done. And then the top piece here, it's actually the same. Oh, this one's loose already. Okay, cool. Yeah. One. The other side. Oh yeah. Too easy. Okay, it's done. Now it's time just to clean it up. and then put it back. Stand by. Alrighty, all done. Replace the bushings. It actually went in pretty good. Didn't have a hard time. Also the rear. Replace both bushings and cleaned it up too. As you know, it's looking nasty like this. Nasty. Yeah, clean it up. Probably paint it later, I don't know. But it's good to go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Whatever. Alright, so pretty much completed the springs. The bushings were easy to put on. It's like two-piece, so slide in one side and then the other side. But those are done. I just painted it just to kind of hopefully keep it from rusting again. So I'll probably end up painting it again, but it's just temporary. So I'm just gonna keep it aside here for now. Gonna work on some other stuff while it's out, like maybe the rear end or the whole rear. The frame, probably clean it up, paint it or something. So I don't want to put it back on and have to take it back out. So just leaving it out there for now. So that's where I'm at. Alright, so I got this dimension sheet for the cow truck system, and since I'm taking everything apart, I'm just going to take some measurements just in case we go this route. Not sure, but at least since I'm taking it apart, might as well, you know. So stand by. Alright, so that will do for now. Probably on our next video we'll continue to work on the axle and maybe a little bit on the front end. Hopefully some parts will come in, but thanks again. Appreciate the support. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Appreciate it. You have a good time. Thank you.